In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Vertex AI API in Google Cloud. By the end, you'll have the Vertex AI API ready to use in your Google Cloud project so you can build and run AI workloads with managed services. Before we start, make sure you have a Google Cloud project you can edit and that your account has permission to enable APIs. If your organization manages permissions, you might need an owner or editor role to proceed. First, open the Google Cloud Console in your browser and sign in. At the top, confirm you're working in the correct project using the project selector. This matters because APIs are enabled per project, not across your entire account. If you have multiple projects, take a moment to choose the one where you plan to use Vertex AI. Next, open the main navigation by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. This is the navigation menu for all Google Cloud services. From here, select APIs and Services. This section is where you manage which Google Cloud APIs are turned on for your project, review usage, and handle credentials. Inside APIs and Services, click Library. The API library is a catalog of all available Google Cloud APIs. You can browse by category or use the search box to find exactly what you need. Browsing is helpful if you want to discover related services, but searching is faster if you already know the name. In the search bar, type Vertex AI and look for the entry labeled Vertex AI API. Click it to open the details page. Here you'll see a description of what the API does, documentation links, and any relevant terms. When you're ready, click Enable. If you see a Manage button instead of Enable, that means the API is already active for this project. After enabling, make sure billing is turned on for the same project. Vertex AI is a paid service, and many features require an active billing account. If billing isn't set up, the console will prompt you to link or create a billing account before you can use the API. Enabling billing doesn't immediately incur charges. Costs only occur when you start using resources, and you can monitor usage in the billing section. That's it. The Vertex AI API is now enabled for your project. It may take a minute for everything to propagate. From here, you can proceed to the Vertex AI section to start working with models and pipelines, keeping in mind that region selection and quotas will affect performance and cost. Thanks for watching, and happy building.